So, guys, since we're on tape right now and all, what do you think about the last flesh tube moment? Let's see, where's that gauge at? Let's check that temperature gauge. Oh, pretty good temperature, less than half, 50%. I'm flying down this mountain road at midnight. It's a mariachi moment when the radiator cap goes blah blah. Rocky Mountain over. Rocky Mountain low. Look at the beautiful scenery. Even got beautiful scenery out the back window too. Colorado is my